Hey, my incredible superheroes! Welcome back to my channel where we turn the impossible into reality. Today I'm going to reveal how you can manifest any desire in 3 days or less. But before we dive in, if you're eager to learn how to quickly manifest your desires using the law of assumption and Neville Goddard's principles, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a life-changing video. Let's explore whether it's truly possible to manifest your desires in 3 days or less. The answer is a resounding yes. The key lies in understanding that manifestation doesn't follow a linear path. Many people believe they must achieve specific steps to reach their desires. For instance, if you want to become a millionaire, you might think you need to find a job, get promoted, and work for years, or continuously play the lottery. Similarly, if you're looking for a perfect partner, you might think you need to date many people to find the right one. But manifestation isn't about these incremental steps. Instead, manifestation works by shifting you to a parallel reality where your desire is already fulfilled. This means you don't have to manifest each individual step. You're moving to a reality where your desire exists, and this can happen in ways that might seem miraculous but make perfect sense in hindsight. One moment you might not have your desire, and by the end of the day, it's yours. To manifest a desire in 3 days or less, you must release the idea that it has to manifest in a specific way. Let go of rigid plans and steps. Allow your desire to come to you in the most extraordinary way. Can you accept that your desire might appear as if by magic, even if you can't foresee how it will happen? Next, understand that time is an illusion. It's a construct of our minds and not a real barrier. Once you grasp this, you'll see that anything can manifest at any moment without needing to adhere to a set time frame. First, imagine that your desire is already yours. Create a mental scene that assumes your desire has been fulfilled. For example, if you want a promotion, envision yourself in your new office, decorating your desk. If you're seeking a life partner, imagine spending time together or wearing a wedding ring. Step into this new reality mentally and feel all the emotions associated with it. If visualizing is challenging, focus on the feelings instead. For instance, if you've just become debt-free, imagine the immense relief and freedom you'd feel. If you're not a visual person, use affirmations that declare your new reality, such as "I am married" or "I am financially free." Repeat these affirmations daily, feeling the emotions deeply. Step 2. Ignore any physical evidence that suggests your desire hasn't manifested yet. This is a common trap. Your current reality might present evidence that contradicts your desire, but that doesn't mean your manifestation isn't working. Persist in the assumption that your desire is already yours. Neville Goddard emphasized that even if your assumption seems false, if you persist, it will eventually become your physical reality. Step 3. Stop trying to manifest through physical means. Remember that manifestation doesn't follow a linear process. For example, if you're aiming to find a partner and imagine being happily married, don't try to manifest through dating apps or other methods. Instead, fully embrace your new identity. If you're already married, stop seeking solutions to being single. Focus on what you do now that your desire is fulfilled. Shift your focus to what you would be doing if your desire were already realized. For instance, if you were debt-free, would you be planning a vacation or researching new purchases? Focus on these activities and interests, as this aligns you with your new identity and accelerates manifestation. Try these steps and let me know how they work for you in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I upload new videos to help you manifest an incredible life.